I recently had a doctor tell me to my face, yeah, I just sold my practice. My check's sitting right there in that drawer. It's for $1.7 million. That one decision, selling his property without doing a 1031 exchange, cost him $700,000. It's like a $700,000 mistake. And I just couldn't help it. I couldn't hold it in. I was like, why didn't you do a 1031 exchange? And he just said, well, it's complicated. I don't really know a lot about that. I don't know who to really call and talk to. Because he didn't know how to do a 1031 exchange, that guy lost $700,000. And that's a guy I like. One of the problems with 1031 exchanges is that I don't think the benefits get spread evenly socioeconomically. I think that well-off people and rich people with advisors know how to do them and know what the benefits are of them and know why you go into them and know how you come out of them, how you do exit strategies. And a lot of other people don't. Okay, if you enjoyed that clip, you're gonna love the full-length video. This clip comes from an hour and 15-minute recording that I did with James Callejas out in San Francisco, California at IPX 1031 Exchange. They have done like 400 1031 exchanges a month. He's been there for 27 years. If you want to see that whole clip and watch him and I kind of deep dive into everything we could think about for an hour and 15 minutes, here's a link to that full video.